is Rita with Hongdee Corporation. Right now, I'm at our factory and I will walk you through our workshop to give you a better idea of our production procedure and technique of our repair units and instrument tables. This is our cutting machine to cut the clone into different lengths based on the size of instrument table. This is our bending machine to bend the metal pieces according to our drawing. This is our drilling hole area. Our workers to make the hole to fit the clone for our instrument table. This is our threading machine to make thread to the holes. This is the laser cutting machine to cut the metal plate into the different size and shapes according to the table's dimensions. Here is the ball blasting machine to remove the rust attached to the metal surface. We also have a spray painting line to spray the surface of our instrument table and repair units. This is our welding area and the polishing area. Here is the lathe to produce the parts with different shapes. This is CNC Digital Machine Center to process small parts of our tables. This is our loading test equipment. It is used to test the load for each table. This is our jackfruit table, and the load is 25 kilograms. This is our packing area. The finished product will be packed here. This is our warehouse to stock our finished products. Here is 440 units jackfruit ready to ship to our customer.